Today's math on Wednesday, April 29th, will continue with the metric system, but today we're going to be looking at capacity. Remember, the first thing I want you to do is to watch a video. Video on the left is a brain pop video, and you have to have a username and password for it. And right here on your screen is the username and password. Remember, it's neighborhood and learn to get on that website. So you'll go watch the video on milliliters and liters because that is the unit we're going to be working with today. Now, after you've watched the video, we're going to continue with our conversions. Today, though, there are only going to be 2 sheets because when it comes to the metric system, the only conversion you need to know is that there is 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So just like yesterday, I'm going to model the first problem for you, and that'll leave about 6 conversions for you to do on your own, and then I want you to go to Prodigy for 20 minutes. So let's look at this first problem on this page. 2,000 milliliters equals how many liters? Well, if I look at my conversion up here, 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So then 2,000 milliliters would equal 2 liters. And while I change the formatting of this, you probably notice that liter is with a capital L. Remember, all the abbreviations are going to be there for you. And we'll do this in blue today because it's my favorite color. All right. So 2,000 milliliters is equal to 2 liters. We can see up here, whatever number is on this right side has got to be smaller. And then how much smaller? It's got to be 1,000 times smaller than what's on this side. Now on page 2, we're basically just going the opposite way. So we're going to start off with liters, and we're going to go to milliliters. So let's look at our conversion again. We start off with 1 liter. Move this. So I'm going to put in 6.5 because that's what we're starting with. I'll move this over here. So if I have 6.5 liters, then I need to make this number 1,000 times larger to figure out how many milliliters that I have. So remember, we're going to move our decimal, but today we're going to move it in a different direction. So if I move that decimal from in between the 6 and the 5 to after the 5, I've just made that number 10 times larger. Put a 0 there, that's 100 times larger. Put another 0, that is 1,000 times larger. With measurement, one of the big things is to make sure that you are putting what the unit is. And so these are milliliters. And so we will put that there. So today, go ahead and finish these problems. The answer key will be linked in to your virtual sheet, so you can go back and check your answers. And then move on to Prodigy and work for 20 minutes. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday.